Hello everyone, in today's video we are gonna talk about how to fix your air conditioner remote controller, and I will show you 3 simple ways how you can do that easily and quick. It can easily happen, even though the LCD is working on your remote, that the batteries are not delivering enough power to drive the infrared transmitter. So simply just change your batteries. And another tip what you could do is to take apart your remote control and start to clean it. We can use for that any kind of sanitary alcohol or electrical cleaner. It could happen that there is a dust or dirt between the buttons and the electrical contacts of your remote control. Once you finished, just wait a couple of seconds until the alcohol dries, and you can reassemble then everything and you can test your remote control then. It can very rarely happen, but there could be a memory issue in your air conditioner, and you can restart that from the circuit breaker directly. Or in case if your remote controller just stopped working in between, then you can stop the air conditioner from your circuit breaker. If this video helped you to solve your issue, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and leave your comments below. Thank you very much.